Barnaby's Big Day. Our Barnaby was a very curious little goat.
Kids' YouTube videos like this are blowing up and making channels up to $40,000 just by posting simple videos. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Go to Google AI Studio and select Gemini 2.0 Flash. This is the latest model. Make sure you pick text and image mode. Then go to Vision Story and either type in your own story or just let Gemini create one for you. Now watch as AI instantly writes the story and generates images to match. Super easy, right? Once it's ready, download all the images and copy the story. Step 2. Refine your script and create a voiceover. Next, take your script over to ChatGPT and clean it up. Remove anything unnecessary and make it flow better. Once that's done, copy the final version and head over to CapCut Text-to-Speech. CapCut has fast, high-quality AI voices. So just paste your script, pick a voice that sounds good, and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a natural-sounding voiceover ready to go. Step 3. Edit and finalize your video now. Open CapCut Video Editor and upload the voiceover. Then add all the images you downloaded from Google AI Studio. Arrange them to match the script, make a few adjustments, and add some smooth transitions. If you want a more advanced editing tutorial, let me know and I'll make a separate video. But for now, just keep it simple. Align your images, add background music, and export. Step 4. Upload and monetize. And just like that, in under 2 minutes, you've created a YouTube-ready kids video just like the ones earning thousands. Now all you need to do is upload it and start growing your channel. If you want more AI content tutorials, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.
Small. He'd heard the older goats whisper about the one